Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install deal reminders with Trello for investors. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Trello website. Log into your Trello account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, click on the Create New Board button on your dashboard. Name your board something descriptive, like Deal Reminders for Investors. Choose a background color or image that suits your style and click Create Board. Create a list titled Opportunities to track potential investment deals. Next, create a second list named Follow-ups for deals that need further action. Add a third list called Closed Deals to keep track of successfully completed investments. With your lists ready, it's time to create cards for specific deals. Click on the Add a Card button under the Opportunities list. Enter a brief description of the investment opportunity and click Add Card. Now click on the card you just created to open it for more details. Inside the card, add due dates for when you need to follow up on each deal. You can also attach relevant documents or links here for easy reference. Once you've filled in the details, click Save. To prioritize your deals, drag and drop the cards within the opportunities list based on urgency. Now, let's set reminders to ensure you don't miss any follow-ups. Click on the card under the follow-ups list that needs a reminder. Select the due date option and set the date and time for your reminder. Make sure to toggle on the Send Me a Reminder option to receive notifications. After setting your reminder, click Save. Repeat this process for any other cards in the follow-ups list that require reminders. You can also enable email notifications in your account settings for additional alerts. Now that you have your deal reminders set up, you can easily keep track of your investments. To stay organized, regularly review your boards and update the statuses of your deals. You can also invite team members to collaborate by clicking on Invite in the board menu. This allows everyone involved to stay informed about the latest updates. Finally, explore Trello's power-ups, which can enhance functionality like calendar views or integrations with other tools. Congratulations, you now have a system in place for managing your investment reminders using Trello. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.